completely cold. Engine hasn't ran for about a week or two, I suppose. First off, we're gonna turn on the fuel. That's on the down position. So now we got fuel. Of course, this model has the e-starter, but we're not gonna use that. We're gonna use the Kickstarter. To make it easier, we're gonna turn off all the lights. Maybe before we do that, we're gonna pull the choke. On this bike it's underneath here, just full out. On other Ténérés there's a lever up here to engage. Ignition on. Now we're gonna just pump it through a couple times, slowly. No gas or nothing. And now we're gonna do it with a bit more feeling. We're gonna pump it until there's resistance. And then you hear that cluck, and that cluck is what we need. We're gonna take the Kickstarter up fully and then